What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on esign. Today we're going to be going over what is esign, how to use it, and what's it used for, as well as some of the major problems some people have when using esign. So let's get into it. First, what is esign? A brief explanation on what esign is. Esign is basically just a signing tool that people use to quickly and swiftly sign IPAs for their Apple iOS phone. It's used for many things such as exploiting in games, downloading certain hacked IPA files, etc., etc., etc. Okay, let's move on. So now, to install esign, you're going to need a DNS profile. And I'm going to have all the links are going to be linked down in the description. A DNS profile basically allows you to open esign without you being revoked and install esign without being revoked. DNS profile is also good to mask your identity because DNS profiles could also be used for ad block and proxies. Next, we have the esigns itself. So, in the link in the description, you're going to want to go through each esign until one of them works. Because one of them will work, trust me. One of them doesn't work, then just keep moving on to the next one until one of them opens. For example, an error message of one of them not working would look something like this. Unable to verify app because an internet connection is required to verify the trust of this developer. This issue is probably the most common within esign, and the simplest fix for it is just to go back to here, open up the esign page, and just go and keep trying esigns until one of them doesn't give that issue. I know it may seem annoying, but that's probably the best thing to do. Next, when you open esign, I'm going to show you how to sign apps swiftly and easily. So you're just going to go into esign. You should see the three dots right here. It should automatically open to signed apps, but if it doesn't, you should see the three dots on the top right corner. I'm going to click that, and then you click import. And what that does is it allows you to import your files pretty much. And now you're going to go to most recent files, and you're going to scroll down and click the file that you want to sign. Then you're going to click it, and then you're going to go on it, and you're going to click the file that you just imported, and you're going to click install. Now, if you're installing certain files, you're going to need certificates, which will also be in the link in the description. I didn't find a need to include it in this video because it's pretty simple. You're just going to import certificates and just do the same thing as in my other videos. So now with that, we're going to move on to the apps button. You're going to want to click on the apps button on your esign app, which will direct you to the apps you have most recently downloaded. Just because you downloaded it doesn't mean it's signed. Until you sign it, it's not going to work. Signing process is pretty easy, which we'll get to it right now. Now, we're going to get into the signing process. This is where most people mess up. So when you go click on your app, you're going to click on the apps button. You're going to click on your app that you want to sign. You're going to click signature button. Now, when you're here, you're going to want to click this button that says install after signed and turn it to green, which means it's on. If you do not click that, then it will not sign. It'll say something like esign revoked or you can't open this app because it's revoked. So then once you click that button, you're going to click the red signature button way on the bottom. And after that, pretty much good to go. This could be used for anything from downloading and executing for iOS, such as Delta, to signing a free Spotify premium. esign is a pretty useful tool, and you pretty much never get revoked if you do the tutorial correctly. Anyway, that's about it. If you like the video, subscribe, and our esign site will be linked in the description, CoinDVN. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video.